Well, it has only been a few days since classes began at some Jacksonville private schools, and we've learned that students are already being sent home to quarantine after some students on campus tested positive for COVID-19. On Your Side's Jocelyn Howard spoke with school officials today and tells us where they think those students contracted the virus and their warning tonight for all families.
A letter to the Episcopal School of Jacksonville parents says it all. In contradiction to our school's direction, a social gathering took place in a home in which a large group of Episcopal and Bolles students were in attendance. There was no social distancing or masks being worn. Episcopal Associate Head of School Casey Gilbertus wrote to families. After that gathering, the schools say multiple people tested positive for COVID-19. The Bolles School wrote parents saying infected individuals were at the Bartram campus. Episcopal writes its infected students were at both the middle and upper schools at the Munnerling campus. Both schools are making it clear that students and staff need to consider their classmates and coworkers they come in contact with on a daily basis and avoid large gatherings such as this. Gilbertus warns Episcopal, saying, "As we begin this year together, behavior that conflicts with school guidance and thus jeopardizes on-campus learning will not be tolerated and may result in separation from our school community." At this point, the Duval County Department of Health is contact tracing individuals who came in contact with the infected students, telling them to self-quarantine and not return to school. Jan Olson with the Bolles School says, "While we cannot confirm the specific impact figures due to student confidentiality issues, I can tell you the number of positive cases is very few, more quarantining just to be safe." Both schools say students quarantining are continuing their studies online and the schools are being thoroughly disinfected. Jocelyn Howard, First Coast News, on your side.